Saturday night, a chance of thunderstorms, showers.
Oh, frick.
Lows around 50.
Oh, frick.
North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Scattered thunderstorms are expected tonight throughout much of North and Central Texas.
Oh! Oh!
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash
That is.
warning for southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas,
Radar indicated.
in north central Texas, southwestern Hunt County in north central Texas, central Kaufman County in north central
Activate.
Texas, eastern Rockwall County in north central Texas until 11:45 Central Daylight Time. At 9:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across portions of Ellis and Kaufman County. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh, shoot.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cedar Hill, Rockwall, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Carroll, Cedar Hill, Fort, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kaufman, Roy City, Fort, Wilmer, Ovilla, Crandall, Ferris, Palmer, and Combine. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The hazardous weather.
Holy shoot!
Scattered thunderstorms are expected tonight throughout
I recorded that. I recorded that.
Weather is